Hi everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be taking a look at Siser's EasySubli vinyl for sublimation. If you're looking for a sublimation transfer that lasts as long and is as versatile as heat transfer vinyl on apparel, then EasySubli might be what you're looking for. Siser and Sawgrass have teamed up to bring sublimation to the masses. Combined with the robust, matte-style heat transfer vinyl with special SG500 and SG1000 printer kits, EasySubli introduces sublimation to cotton and colored garments in a way that's feasible for anyone. With EasySubli being designed as a print and cut material, you'll need a Sawgrass sublimation printer, contour cut ready vinyl cutter, EasySubli mask, and a heat press for the best application method. Though if you already own these items, EasySubli is the perfect material to try out sublimation on cotton. First, import and trace an image through your cutting software. Be sure to enable registration marks around the image, then print it through Sawgrass Print Manager with the material set to heat transfer vinyl, and with mirror mode unchecked. It's worth noting that some cutting software like GCC's Great Cut will require the image to be printed with registration marks before tracing them. With the EasySubli transfer printed, cure the inks by placing the printed transfer on the lower platen of your heat press. Hold the heating element a few inches away from the transfer for about 30 to 40 seconds. You can then place it on a cutting mat, load it onto your cutter, and have it cut through your cutting software. Weed your transfer and mask it using the EasySubli mask. To do this, simply cover and squeegee the mask onto your cut transfer, flip the transfer onto the back side, then from a corner, slowly peel the transfer off the backing. To apply Siser EasySubli vinyl on apparel, set your machine to 15 seconds at 311 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. Once the machine reaches temperature, place your apparel on the lower platen, then place and center your transfer on top. Cover it with parchment paper and then press. When the timer hits 0, open the heat press and then peel the EasySubli mask off while it's hot. Your EasySubli transfer has now been applied. As a layer of heat transfer vinyl, not only can it withstand frequent washes, but it will maintain the vibrant colors that sublimation is known to bring to polyester apparel. But this time, EasySubli brings sublimation to cotton apparel. To learn more about EasySubli, Sawgrass, and other sublimation products, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to my expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.